Good day. I hope you're doing great. So let's just go straight to our weekly analysis. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. We are on GBP JPY. This coming week, you don't really have much on the economic news. I think it's only PCE from the US, which is quite important, but I think it's going to be on Friday. So we can see on here on GBP, we did smash this one. The market was on a very nice downtrend structure. I think this trend is going to actually continue. I think we are going to see a continuation of that sell going further, something like this. Do you see that? So I'm expecting to see that continuation. And I think there's nothing much here. It's quite straightforward. It's just to wait for the market to go a little bit lower, maybe until we get that reversal. Then we can say we are going to look for another sell around this level. But we have to wait and see if maybe the market will be continuing to move like that. So USD JPY, the market was continuing with the trend. Remember, we were on a nice downtrend here. Then the market started to show us that we are going to continue going lower. So this is very nice because we're coming from a very stronger uptrend. The market was moving like that. So we start to see that that uptrend is no longer there. Now we have to expect downtrend structures. Do you see that? So I hope maybe that will make sense on your side. So let's check Euro USD. I was expecting to see the market going or continuing with the downtrend on Euro USD, but the market reversed, but the reversal is still very good. We can say we are still on that nice resistance. We still expect to see the market continuing going lower. Do you see that? I'm expecting to see the market going even lower, but at the moment it seems like the market will be just playing around this level, you see. So once the market breaks out here, you can actually jump on that sell. Seems like it's raining outside. And guys, we are back on load shedding, stage 6, stuff like that. But you know what? We're used to this. I think it's not going to be that very long. GBP USD on a nice uptrend, but still at the beginning, we can see that we're coming from a very stronger downtrend. We saw a breakout, and now the market is trying to go higher. You see that? Yeah, so we can see that the market is willing to continue. We see the market breaking out, so which means the dollar is losing the momentum, but we can easily see that the market doesn't really have that aggressive momentum, but at least we see that the market is willing to do what? To continue going higher. We did have this order for quite a long, but the market was not really moving that nice. I think the second entry might be very good. The second retest, that might actually give us a nice push to the market, to this uptrend. I think the market is going to continue, but this is the first one here, and I think we don't really have that proper reversal. So I'm expecting to have that reversal. I think then we are going to see a very nice move, but just know that we are on a very nice uptrend. Guess what? On the dollar index, the market still shows us that it is still going a little bit lower, but we don't know if maybe the market will be breaking out of this support area. If it breaks, that will mean that the dollar is losing that momentum, because we were still afraid of tariffs, that maybe they might push the market to be quite stronger, and that obviously it will also push inflation, and it means interest rates, they're going to find it hard for Federal Reserve to cut the rates is going to be a problem. But at the moment, I like what I see here. Let's just hope that economic news or events that we're going to get are going to continue like that, going lower. Or yeah, but we'll have to wait and see. And if you checked, the market was reversing a little bit on Friday, but we are going there, by the way. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button. And yeah, so you can see, guys, for those who want system indicator or let's say signal indicator, just check my WhatsApp link or talk to me there. We have that 50% special until month end. For those who want that, just let me know. So on gold, we can see that the market reached this nice resistance. We've been talking about that. And it seems like the market is struggling to break that. I hope maybe the market will reach this level. I've been talking about that, but the market doesn't really go to that point. But I think the market might reach this area before we see another bullish structure. So the structure here is already straightforward. We are on a nice uptrend. And yeah, I'm expecting that to continue, but I think a nice reversal. It seems like the market is respecting this level at the moment, but I think if it reaches this zone there, that will be good. That will be good. And let's hope that maybe Russia, Ukraine tensions comes to an end, you see. So now we are on the one that I actually like, US30, and after that is going to be Nasdaq. I've been talking about this. This is what I like because I understand the market structures. Yes, sometimes just because I understand the market structures doesn't really mean that I will actually be right like almost every day, but most likely 70-80% of the time, mostly I'm right, you see. So this is what we have on a daily time frame. We had this resistance area. You can see that yes, overall move there, it's obvious it's an uptrend. So, but what we have, it was this level of a resistance. I've been talking about this ranging structure that the market is actually struggling to break out. Yes, maybe tomorrow the market might try to reverse, but I think this already gave us a clue that the market might even reach this lowest level. I think that is something that we both want. I think if maybe the market gives us that type of a move, that will be welcomed. I think we need that. I think we need to see the market reaching this level. But what I know is it's all about patience. Just imagine waiting here. It's like 2 weeks, no trades, 2 weeks to 3 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks, no trades. And now we're waiting for the market to reach this level. What if it takes 3 days or 4 days? And once you get the trades here, most likely you're going to make some profits. But I think we also have to focus on other pairs. Just master one thing, go to the next one, master that, so that we have the options, because you'll end up trying to get some opportunities which are actually not there. But now you can see that from here, it's actually the wall, or the strongest wall that we have is this one. And maybe from here, we might see the market going even higher. And I think maybe that makes sense, unless if maybe the market tries to break out. If the market tries to break out, that will also be good. It means the market will be changing the trend, and that will mean a downtrend. At the moment, it seems like we still have a very solid structure. This is what I was also talking about on Nasdaq. You can see the overall structure. Yes, it's a very nice uptrend, but when we go closer there, we had some proper nice areas that we can just say, you know what, the market was testing us. And I repeated this several times, guys. I did say, I was just giving an example here and say, you see, sometimes the market can create something like this, tries to break out, and the market might reverse. And here it happened exactly. The market might give you this fake move and tries to reverse after. And it was like few days here. You can see it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost 6 days. So if the market broke out of this resistance, yes, we were going to be tempted, obviously, to continue with that uptrend, because the overall structure, it's actually an uptrend. But now it seems like the market respected that level, and you can see that the market was just playing games. Now we can just mark that like that zone like that. So now the only area that I can say is quite stronger is going to be this lowest level, this support area there. I think this is supposed to be thick, a little bit thicker, something like that. Or maybe the market might give us something like that. We'll have to wait and see. But if maybe we try to draw something like that, already the market broke out. So which means along the way here, the market will have to reach this zone, and we will see the market going up. I've been talking about this area several times. If you did listen, obviously you will see that actually we know what we're talking about, right? So on on S&P 500, we can easily see that yes, the market is doing its thing here. The market is doing its thing. The market shows us that, you know what, we actually on that ranging structure. Here, the market did not really try to break out. It was quite straightforward on my side. Even showed you on my analysis. So now the market is selling, which is good. Maybe around this level, the market might find something. But I think tomorrow the market might try to reach this support. It might even try to break a little bit so that everyone think like, oh, it's a sell, then the market reverses. I think the market will just respect this zone and we might see a nice push to the upside. Simple as that. I hope maybe that makes sense. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Don't forget that we have a system indicator which was $150. Now you can get it on a half price. Just let me know, just WhatsApp me, then we can talk there. So now this is what we have on German 30 or 40, because other brokers, they call it German 40. So this is what we have here. We can see that the market has been going up for quite some time without any proper reversal. So this is what I was waiting for. And I like what I see. I think maybe the market might reach this level and go higher, or maybe the market might reach this support area before going up. I like what I see here. It seems like the market, finally, the market is starting to reverse, you see, so that we can continue with our trend. It's easy to see the trend going like this, but it's difficult just to get anywhere, because if the market reverses, there is going to be a problem. That's why we have this line or this support line. Once the market reaches this area, we'll be thinking twice. I hope maybe that makes sense. So let's push to the next one. Whoa, US oil, YTI. So we can see that we are still on this nice downtrend structure here, and it seems like the market is struggling to break out of that resistance. We can see here we have that support. Maybe the market will be reaching that. But the overall move here is we have 1, 2, 3 moves that shows us that the market is slowly going lower and lower. The fourth one might come also, but we will be expecting to see the market going even lower. Simple as that. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Don't complicate the market, guys. Make it simpler. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. I will see you on the next one. Don't forget to smash that subscribe, like, share with your friends. Bye.